Hey everyone, so as you can tell, I'm looking kind of rough. I just finished some tasks that I've been procrastinating on. These are things that I have focused on in my procrastination video, and I'm very excited that it took me a little bit under an hour to get them done. So this is one of my beds. I don't think I focused much on it, but it did had a lot of weeding and dead plants that I needed to pull out. This one you saw on the video, I got rid of all the dead plants. I've cleaned up my kale, whatever you want to call it, section. I did notice some pests already and we just started March, so I have to really spray this section. Maybe neem oil. Got rid of all the pepper plants, the dead stuff here. Yeah, I didn't really touch much the leaves, but I was focused on pulling out plants. And finally I got rid of the morning glory vines that were dead. But look at this. Isn't that cute? This is clematis. This is clematis. I believe I have her here for 2 years so far. I have to check on that. And they have yet to bloom on me. They always leaf out, but they don't give me blooms, and I really don't know whether I have white or burgundy. I'm hoping to find out this year if they bloom. And the shotgun wedding bloom, but I'm not sure if it's really shotgun. It looks more like the confetti cake. That is what it is now, and that's the tag. The confetti cake is also blooming, and this is what she looks like. So, did we get the tags wrong? Is this really the shotgun wedding and not the confetti? Let me know in the comments below.